How to enable or disable Bixby Vision text reader on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, tap on vision enhancements. Then we scroll down and tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility. From here, tap on text reader. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on text reader. Here it said, point to the camera at some text to hear it read out aloud. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.